So what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tip Tuesday. I'm here with our preferred lender, Ryan Gilliam with Waterstone Mortgage. And today we're going to talk about the 2-1 buy down program with interest rates. And this is a big deal right now with the rise of interest rates. So Ryan, talk about this program that we've both been getting a lot of questions about.
Yeah, so it's no secret. Everybody knows, interest rates are at highs right now. But the good thing is that there's more inventory out there. So it's a good time to finally buy. And a lot of sellers now to actually make their homes look more attractive are starting to offer closing cost assistance, which we haven't seen in the past 2.5 years. So what do you do in this case? The great program, as you mentioned, Dana, is the 2-1 buy down program. Now, this program allows you your first year that you're in the house to have a rate 2% less. And the second year, your rate is 1% less. And then, of course, the third year, you're basically at the market rate that we closed your loan at. So it's a great way to save money your first couple of years in the house. So just for an example, a $450,000 purchase, this will save you $500 each month on your mortgage payment the first year. Second year is $250. Third year, you're back at the market rate, but you could always refinance at that time. So we all know, rates are going to get better. That they're at 9-year highs right now, but we do expect them in 2023 to improve. So you always do have that opportunity after this program to refinance, get a great 30-year fixed rate, and then have a great payment the rest of the 30 years of your mortgage.
Wow, Ryan, that's huge.
Huge.
That's amazing. So awesome, you guys. So if you have questions, definitely reach out to Ryan or I about the 2-1 buy down program. And again, thank you for joining us on Tip Tuesday. Till next time.
Thanks, everyone.